restrictive dieting, meal plans, whatever you want to call it, the problem with this is the second you get off the diet, you start gaining that weight back, right? So I think restrictive dieting is not the way that most people should approach weight loss, especially from a health perspective. If your goal is to get healthy over the long term, restrictive dieting is not the way to go. The change has to come at a lifestyle level, right? There needs to be a change in the way that you live your life. So how do you change the way that you live your life? In my opinion, the way you change the way you live is by changing the way you think. That's where you start.